General tasks. To view our general tasks, start by selecting the task type as default. By default, this will show all ongoing and overdue tasks. If you need to view completed tasks, simply apply the completed filter in the status field. This will display all completed tasks. Quality check tasks. To filter quality check tasks, go to the task list and select tasks assigned by me. Then, set the task type to quality. By default, this will show ongoing tasks. To further refine your search, apply the approved or rejected filter in the status field. This will help you quickly find the tasks that have been reviewed by the QC team. Compliance check tasks. For compliance check tasks, follow the same process. Select tasks assigned by me, then set the task type to compliance. By default, you will see all ongoing tasks. You now know how to efficiently filter tasks based on type and status. This will help you manage your workload more effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the support team. Thanks for watching.